Exercise 3.6, question number 1. Solve the following pairs of equations by reducing them to a pair of linear equations. First, 1 by 2x plus 1 by 3y is equal to 2 and 1 by 3x plus 1 by 2y is equal to 13 by 6. Let 1 by x is equal to p and 1 by y is equal to q. Then the given equation become p by 2 plus q by 3 is equal to 2. This can be written as 3p plus 2q minus 12 is equal to 0. Let's say this is equation 1. And p by 3 plus q by 2 is equal to 13 by 6, which can be written as 2p plus 3q minus 13 is equal to 0. Let's say this is equation 2. Now, using cross multiplication method, by cross multiplication method, we will get p minus 26 minus under bracket minus 36 is equal to q by minus 24 minus under bracket minus 39 is equal to 1 by 9 minus 4. This will give p by 10, q by 15 and 1 by 5. So we will get p by 10 is equal to 1 by 5 and q by 15 is equal to 1 by 5. This will give p is equal to 2 and q is equal to 3. Now we know that p is equal to 1 by x, which is equal to 2, which implies x is equal to 1 by 2 and q is equal to 1 by y, which is equal to 3, which implies y is equal to 1 by 3. So we have x is equal to 1 by 2 and y is equal to 1 by 3. Now the second part. Second is 2 by root x plus 3 by root y is equal to 2 and 4 by root x minus 9 by root y is equal to minus 1. Second. Now this second linear equation, let's put 1 by root x is equal to p and 1 by root y is equal to q. Then the given equation will be will be 2p plus 3q is equal to 2 and 4p minus 9q is equal to minus 1. Let's say this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now by multiplying three in equation 1, we will get 6p plus 9q is equal to 6. Let's say this is equation 3rd. Now by adding equation 2 and equation 3, we will get, by adding these two, this will cancel out. 4p plus 6p is 10p is equal to minus 1 plus 6 is equal to 5. This implies p is equal to 1 by 2. Let's say this is equation 4th. Now putting this value in equation 1, we get 2 into 1 by 2 plus 3q is equal to 2. This will give 3q is equal to 2 minus 1, which implies 3q is equal to 1, which gives q is equal to 1 by 3. Now as we know, p is equal to 1 by root x, which is equal to 1 by 2. This implies root x is equal to 2, which gives x is equal to 2 to the power 2, which is equal to 4. So x is equal to 4 and q is equal to 1 by root y is equal to 1 by 3, which implies root y is equal to 3, which implies y is equal to 3 to the power 2, which gives y is equal to 9. So x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 9. Now the third part. Third is 4 by x plus 3y is equal to 14 and 3 by x minus 4y is equal to 23. Putting one by x is equal to p in given equations, we will get 4p plus 3y is equal to 14, which can also be written as 4p plus 3y minus 14 is equal to 0. Let's say this is equation 1, and 3p minus 4y is equal to 23. This can also be written as 3p minus 4y minus 23 is equal to 0. Let's say this is equation 2. Now by using cross multiplication method, we get p by minus 69 minus 56 is equal to y by minus 42 minus under bracket minus 92 is equal to 1 by minus 16 minus 9. Now this gives p by minus 125 is equal to y by 50 is equal to 1 by minus 25. So this will become p by minus 125 is equal to 1 by minus 25, and y by 50 is equal to 1 by minus 25. This will give p is equal to 5 and y is equal to minus 2, and since p is equal to 1 by x, which is equal to 5, this gives x is equal to 1 by 5. So x is equal to 1 by 5 and y is equal to minus 2. Now the fourth part. Fourth is 5 by x minus 1 plus 1 by y minus 2 is equal to 2, and 6 by x minus 1 minus 3 by y minus 2 is equal to 1. Now putting one by x minus 1 is equal to p and 1 by y minus 2 is equal to q in given equation, we will get 5p plus q is equal to 2 and 6p minus 3q is equal to 1. Let's say this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now multiplying equation 1 by 3, we will get 15p plus 3q is equal to 6. Let's say this is equation third. Now adding 2 and 3, adding equation 2 and equation 3, we will get 21p is equal to 7, which implies p is equal to 1 by 3. Now putting this value in equation 1, we will get 5 into 1 by 3 plus q is equal to 2, which implies q is equal to 2 minus 5 by 3, which gives q is equal to 1 by 3. Now as p is equal to 1 by x minus 1, which is equal to 1 by 3, this implies x minus 1 is equal to 3, which gives x is equal to 4, and q is equal to 1 by y minus 2, which is equal to 1 by 3. This implies y minus 2 is equal to 3, which gives y is equal to 5. So x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 5. Now the fifth part. Fifth is 7x minus 2y by xy is equal to 5, which can be written as 7 by y minus 2x is equal to 5. Let's say this is equation 1, and 8x plus 7y divided by xy is equal to 15, which can be written as 8 by y plus 7 by x is equal to 15. Let's say this is equation 2. Now putting 1 by x is equal to p and 1 by y is equal to q in given equation, we will get minus 2p plus 7q is equal to 5, which can also be written as minus 2p plus 7q minus 5 is equal to 0. Let's say this is equation 3, and 7p plus 8q is equal to 15, which can also be written as 7p plus 8q minus 15 is equal to 0. Let's say this is equation 4th. Now by applying cross multiplication method, we will get p by minus 105 minus under bracket minus 40 is equal to q by minus 35 minus 30 is equal to 1 by minus 16 minus 49. This gives p by minus 65 is equal to q by minus 65 is equal to 1 by minus 65. So here we will get p by minus 65 is equal to 1 by minus 65 and q by minus 65 is equal to 1 by minus 65, which gives p is equal to 1 and q is equal to 1. And since p is equal to 1 by x is equal to 1, this gives x is equal to 1 and q is equal to 1 by y, which is equal to 1, gives y is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. Now the sixth part. Sixth is 6x plus 3y is equal to 6xy and 2x plus 4y is equal to 5xy. This can be written as 6 by y plus 3 by x is equal to 6, and this can be written as 2 by y plus 4 by x is equal to 5. Let's say this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Putting 1 by x is equal to p and 1 by y is equal to q in these equations, we will get 3p plus 6q. Transferring this side, we will get minus 6 is equal to 0 and 4p plus 2q minus 5 is equal to 0. Now by using cross multiplication method, we will get seventh is 10 by x plus y plus 2 by x minus y is equal to 4 and 15 by x plus y minus 5 by x minus y is equal to minus 2. Seventh. So by putting 1 by x plus y is equal to p and 1 by x minus y is equal to q in given equation, we will get ten p plus 2q is equal to 4, which can also be written as 10p plus 2q minus 4 is equal to 0 and 15p plus minus 5q is equal to minus 2, which can be written as 15p minus 5q plus 2 is equal to 0. Let's say this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now by cross multiplication method, we will get P by 4 minus 20 is equal to Q by minus 60 minus 20 is equal to 1 by minus 50 minus 30. So this will give P by minus 16 is equal to Q by minus 80 is equal to 1 by minus 80. This implies P by minus 16 is equal to 1 by minus 80 and Q by minus 80 is equal to 1 by minus 80. So this will give P is equal to minus 16 by minus 80, which is equal to 1 by 5, and Q is equal to 1. Now since P is equal to 1 by x plus y, which is also equal to 1 by 5, and Q is equal to 1 by x minus y, and Q is equal to 1, this will give equation x plus y is equal to 5 and x minus y is equal to 1. Let's say this is equation 3 and this is equation 4. Now adding equation 3 and 4, we will get 2x is equal to 6, which gives x is equal to 3. Let's say this is equation 5th. Substituting this value in equation 3, we will get 3 plus y is equal to 5, which gives y is equal to 2. So x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. Now the 8th part. 8th is 1 by 3x plus y plus 1 by 3x minus y is equal to 3 by 4, and 1 by 2 under bracket 3x plus y minus 1 by 2 under bracket 3x minus y is equal to minus 1 by 8. So here by putting 1 by 3x plus y is equal to P and 1 by 3x minus y is equal to Q, we will get P plus Q is equal to 3 by 4 and P by 2 minus Q by 2 is equal to minus 1 by 8. So this can be written as P minus Q is equal to minus 1 by 4. Let's say this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now adding equation 1 and 2, add adding equation 1 and equation 2, we will get 2p is equal to 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4, which implies 2p is equal to 1 by 2, which gives p is equal to 1 by 4. Now substituting this value in equation 2, we will get 1 by 4 minus q is equal to minus 1 by 4. This will give q is equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, which is equal to 1 by 2. So p is equal to 1 by 4 and q is equal to 1 by 2. Now as we know, p is equal to 1 by 3x plus y, which is also equal to 1 by 4. This implies 3x plus y is equal to 4. Let's say this is equation 3rd. Similarly, q is equal to 1 by 3x minus y, which is also equal to 1 by 2, which implies 3x minus y is equal to 2. Let's say this is equation 4th. Now by adding equation 3 and equation 4, adding equation 3 and equation 4, we will get 6x is equal to 6, which implies x is equal to 1. Let's say this is equation 5th. Now substituting this value in equation 3, we will get 3 into 1 plus y is equal to 4, which gives y is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1.